she just can't touch. If at any time he's in a jam, she'll be by his side, but he doesn't realize it hurts her so much. But all the praying just ain't helping at all, 'cause he can't seem to keep himself out of trouble. So he goes out and he makes his money the best way he knows how. Another body laying cold in the gutter. Listen to me. Don't go chasing waterfalls. Please stick to the rivers and the lakes that you used to. I know that you're gonna have it your way or nothing at all, but I think you're moving too fast. Little precious has a natural obsession for sensation that he just can't see. Giving loving that his body can handle. All he can say is, baby, it's good to me. One day he goes and takes a glimpse in the mirror, but he doesn't recognize his own face.
Not his own face.
His health is fading, but he doesn't know how. Three letters took him to his final resting place. Don't go chasing waterfalls. Please stick to the rivers and the lakes that you used to. I know that you're gonna have it your way or nothing at all, but I think you're moving too fast. See you in my state, Tony Stones are gonna come away with one God given a raise. Is it because my life is 10 shades of gray? I pray it 10 fade away, 7 place from 7 days. Like I promised to shoot, I'll leave my faith way undo. Too many chances of blue to bring my life to a new clear blue and unconditional skies. Dry the tears from my eyes. No more lonely cries. Don't go chasing waterfalls. Please stick to the rivers and the lakes that you used to. I know that you're gonna have it your way or nothing at all, but I think you're moving too fast.
Oh, you're moving too fast.
Don't go chasing waterfalls. Please stick to the rivers and the lakes that you used to. I know that you're gonna have it your way or nothing at